So like today in this video we will be discussing about the structure of eye. So today in this video we will be discussing about the structure of eye. So like for example, if I would give you the example so you can see that how our eyes look like. If we see a normal human, so our eyes look like this, okay, but we see the inner image of the eyes. So what, how it will be like, how we will be recognizing it, that how the eyes look like. So this is what the inner structure of eye. Okay, this colored part is known as iris. Let me write iris. Different peoples have different iris. For example, you can see in this video it have the green iris. So it is the color part of the eye. Like if I would take your example, what's the color of your iris? It can be brown, it can be like dark black, dark brown. So this is what the color of iris looks like. So this is the color of iris. You can see this ball. If I could say here in this, so that here this part is known as iris. Okay, now iris, what iris gives, it gives the color. For example, like the light rays are coming from here. Okay, green light rays are coming. So what iris will do, iris will absorb those absorb that rays, or the rays, and then it will be as a green in color. For example, the green rays are coming over here. So that is why your iris have different colors. Like some people have brown, some have gray. So that's depend on the iris or the rays of the light. So now this part, this part is known as pupil. Okay, so like this is known as pupil, sorry, pupil. Okay, I'm very bad at writing. Pupil. Okay, so this is what your pupil looks like. This is pupil. What people will do, like the light raises, that, oh, I don't know what is happening, I'm sorry for distraction. Okay, so the light raises that are coming, god, this is too much. Yes, the light rays that are coming to the pupil will be directly going inside our eye and making the image. But when the light rays are coming toward this iris, they will reflect back. What? They will reflect back. They will not allow to go the light rays inside your eyes. But what people will do? People will do allow the light rays to go inside our eyes, and this is how we can see the image. When the light rays from the pupil will be going inside our eye, we will be able to see the images, and the image will be formed over here at this place. This is known as retina. We'll discuss that also. So for example, the pupil have a control. Sometime it dilate and sometime it get like relax. So when you can, for example, at the daytime, this pupil get dilate. Why? Because the light rays are going inside. For example, the light rays will go inside your eyes and it will harm your eyes. So that is why, like I'm making over here, this is the iris, and the pupil will get dilate, will get small, so that our eye rays or the light rays could not go inside, that will harm us. So this is what the function of iris is. It will allow the light rays, but pupil will allow the light rays, but iris will not allow. Okay, so now I'm gonna share like another so like this is what another diagram looks like. So as you can see, for example, the I have made like here I have made the like the cross section. This is the again the iris, the pupil. So now that this bulgy part is known as cornea. What this is known as? This is known as cornea. This bulgy part is known as cornea, and here the watery substance is present. Here the watery substance is present, and that is known as aqueous humor. Aqueous humor. What's the function of aqueous humor? We'll discuss that as well. This part, this convex part is known as lens. Okay, what this is called? This is known as lens. So like what the aqueous humor will do? Aqueous humor will provide the nutrition. What it will do? It will provide the nutrition to cornea and lens. Okay, it will provide the nutrition to cornea. Let me highlight it. It's not visible. Another dark one. Yes, it provides the nutrition to cornea and lens. Okay, I hope that is clear. So yeah, now the light rays will be coming to the pupil and they'll be going, and here it will be forming an image. What? Here the image will be forming, and this part is known as retina. What? Retina. This part is known as retina, and here the fibers are present. The fibers are present. Optic fibers. What they are known as? They are known as optic fibers. Okay, optic fibers. What optic fibers will do? Optic fibers will be conveying the message that the light rays are being entered in the retina. So optic fibers will be conveying the message to the brain. Then the brain will be telling you about the image. Okay. Another thing is that here, like this area, the cells are present. When those cells are activated, they form the image. Okay, I'll tell you that what's the the name of the cells. There are two types of cells are present: pons and cones. So the cells, when the cells will be activate, so the image will be formed. Okay, now here at this area, like let me draw. I don't know what size it's like. At this area. Oh god. Yes. At this area. Let me draw over here. At this area. Okay. This here, the watery substance is present that is known as vitreous humor. What's the function of vitreous humor? So if I tell you the function, so it provides the supports to eye. Provides support to eyes. For example, if the vitreous humor is not present, so the structure of the eyes can be bulgy, like it cannot be spherical, it like here it cannot be in the proper shape. So that is why the vitreous humor is a watery like substance and it is present. Okay. So now the like we'll be talking about the length, some muscles. Okay. So here this, if we talk about the muscles, so the muscles here, these muscles are present, and these muscles are known as ciliary muscles. What? Ciliary muscle. What's the function of ciliary muscles? Okay. For example, the light rays are coming. Okay, the light rays are coming, and not I'm not talking about the light rays now. I'm here talking about, for example, here the image is like it. What the ciliary muscles do? It control the lenses. Okay, when the object is far away, so how the image will be forming? For example, it will be going parallel, and here the image will be forming at this place. Okay. Oh god. Wait. Like the image is over here, it is quite far away from our lens, so the light or the image will be parallel, and then what, it will be bending, so that our image can form. It will bend. Okay, at this, so here the image will form. But like our when the image is very far, like the object is very far away from our eye, so the ciliary muscles need more power, required more power to make the image. Or if I could tell you the example that the image are at the near place, for example, place the object over here, place the object over here, so like the image will form over this. Now it will require more bending, because like for example, when the light rays came, so it will go at this side, they'll not make like a bending over here, they'll not make the bending, they will go at this side because the ciliary muscles are present. So what they will do, they will require more power, they'll require more power to bend these light rays to make your image over at retina, so that this power of ciliary cells is known as power of accommodation. What? Power of accommodation. I'm sorry. Accommodation. Okay. I hope that is clear. This is the structure. This is the more clear.